This is the lecture for Richard Adams and Chris Barrie's article, The Bureaucratization of War, Moral Challenges Exemplified by the Covert Lethal Drone. So the things we read in this class are often decent models for your papers, both in terms of the ideas and to a lesser extent the writing style. But this one, when it comes to the writing style, please, I think, do not emulate them. So there's lots of things that they do in the article that I think are not just very clear. Just the one example here on the first page, in the third sentence, they say, these operations, though highly administered, are seen to be insufficiently attentive to moral ideas. And so this phrase "are seen to be," it's unclear because like who are seen by who? Like who is seeing these things? So the subject of every verb in every sentence you write should be like very clear. It should be obvious when there's a verb like uh, seen or is seen to be. It should be clear who is doing the seeing or something like that. So they have lots of sentences like this in the paper where it's not clear who the subject is, um, or they'll leave words out. Uh, Often, the word they leave out is the subject word, and it's just an unclear way of writing. So please don't do that when you write.